got
One's down. Alright, that's it. That's it. Go defuse.
Go pick up my op to the right. Green.
I'm defusing the bomb.
To the left.
No, to the left.
Over the right
See that?
there. Right there.
See the one that looks like a knot?
Shut up. Chili Jeff.
Well, let's record, ladies and gentlemen.
Dude, this game better be better than the last one. I could only.
Okay, if any of you guys bait, I will fuck your mom. Okay, let's have fun.
Well, she's kind of lonely.
And my dad will watch while eating popcorn because
Yeah.
he's lonely. Where are we going? Are we CT?
get the
camera.
Let's go.
Always Scopy.
Don't worry, they
Doesn't
probably
do
know
that.
what the map either, maybe, hopefully.
Watch your one.
Get on set.
Go, go. Coming. You can get up on all these boxes too, by the way.
Dose me. Up too late.
Oh,
Short
short.
bathroom.
One coming up behind us. See click.
Left side. Left side. Yeah, that's where it is. Yep. I have no idea where the fuck the place is called.
Quiet, quiet.
Yeah, just playtime.
Quiet, quiet. Sorry, I didn't mean to yell at you or whatnot.
That's fine.
Nah, that's alright.
I was trying to find a call out map for this map, but no one's made one yet.
No.
And that's disappointing.
This place.
Yeah, there's some maps that have like...
around, guys. Let's do it.
What are we doing?
Rush be every time.
Alright.
It'll work. Probably.
There's maps that have like stairs and stuff like that, but there's like 2 or 3 different stairs that call it. So, like underpass or what the fuck? That's like not
Oh, underpass. Cool. What the fuck?
fountain, obviously. Okay.
Tunnel.
Go,
I
guys.
only like
Go.
Tulip so far. It's the only good map I like so far.
Wow, he's lit by bathroom there.
Same spot.
Blue, you got the box. I'm blue. Blue. Buddy, you got the box.
Relax, relax.
No.
We were rushing. And you're holding up the rear?
Good shit, boys.
Nice job.
Good job.
And then when we're on CT side, all we're gonna go is B. We're gonna leave A wide open.
Yeah.
Yeah. You just play retakes? We're a retake team?
Yeah.
Alright, cool.
You're just like us, right?
Los Tito's landing zone.
What does that mean?
I don't know, that's what the dude just said. Los Tito's landing zone.
There's nothing in here. It's a winery. 2 mid.
My bad, dude.
He's lit.
One on site. 2 on
Good
site.
shit. One behind us. One come from T.
Going around.
Yellow, yeah, bomb. Take a shit.
Oh.
There's a AK there if you want yellow.
I did, what?
Oh, I'm colorblind. I can't be a pilot. Fuck.
Meh.
There's a glue on the ground for somebody. Never
Oh
mind.
shit. They're gonna stack
Okay.
B, I bet anything.
Well,
Let's go
in.
A.
That's where we go.
Let's go A. Yeah.
Okay. Oh, this says B as well. What the fuck?
Yeah. A lot of the maps now.
Wow,
you can
one
do,
mid?
Like, multiple. Where the fuck is mid?
You know,
Gone up
He's
here.
right to your right. Interesting.
I'm so Helen.
Bomb them, guys.
Bomb down.
Oh. There's
shit.
opening to that.
Can't see. Well,
To your left, to your left, to your left, to your left.
I think to my
There's
left.
a wall.
Is a wall.
But it is close right. I mean close left. Cool, cool. You are lagging.
Yeah, I know I am. Not bad though.
That was funny as shit.
Just walk.
That's mid.
thought there was an opening here.
Jump down, jump down, jump down. Yeah, I can run now.
Sewer. Is that an opening?
I believe.
Go play in the corner.
My heart is beating right now.
Still, he's
Nice shot, nice shot.
I got stuck in the
good
box.
try, good try, good try.
Yeah, where you jump down there, that's mid where the guys, you can get to the same spot really fast. So if you're good at
Okay.
opping.
What?
What?
A caller for Appa?
What?
Mike?
We did get bomb on me. Yeah, I would just get an op and go mid.
I don't know what this man is. Let me speak. Yo, kitty sniper. I'm the sniper.
I'll do it.
Alright, dude. Do it.
So where that B thing is, going right there.
Yeah, yeah.
And there's
I'll
an
go.
archway that they came out of.
Yeah, yeah. I got it, I got it. I think.
Oh, jeez. I got black. Shit, by it.
He's gonna peek again, I bet you. Okay or not. Just kidding, I lied. What the
Whoa,
fuck?
whoa, whoa.
Same
Well,
spot?
Alright. I guess I suck now.
They pushed
We're
me
right,
mid.
guys?
Chris, keep rushing you, man.
B.
Oh wait,
4-3 rushing you, man.
yeah, plant it, plant it A. Because he's in T-spawn right now.
2-1.
Was it A?
We
We're
are-
at B.
Sorry, I'm dyslexic too. Retarded. I have downs and AIDS.
Don't push out. Don't push out. Just stay in the corner.
He has an
Go to your
op.
left.
That's
See the corner?
fine.
Yes. No. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Just stay here. Stay here. I want your left.
He's gonna have an up. Tell him it just spread. I lied.
Play
He
time.
died.
To
I'm
our right.
sorry.
Good shit. Oh, he didn't buy an op. Or didn't bring an op.
No, he didn't.
probably
he didn't
just
pick up
switched.
the app.
Sneaky. I swear I should have had him, but
Oh,
Yo.
Snake was AK. I suck right
Fucking
now, apparently.
kitsune, bro. I need a gun, plus.
so he got there first, eh?
Where are you? Oh, someone just stole it.
Oh, jeez. Nothing.
Someone get it? Take it.
Aw, I tried to take that.
Okay.
No way.
Anyway, fat.
We're looking hard, eh?
As far behind you. Kill it.
Oh, Jesus Christ. He's lit.
A's open, boys.
Coming.
There's a guy
Nope.
in B lit.
Just kill
So
everybody.
Bombs out connector. Or whatever it's fucking
A
called.
push through
Restroom.
CT. I'm gonna go
Bombs
mid.
down.
Ooh,
Or
so that's
sewers.
what he looks like. I like it.
Good shit, boys.
I lit all of them up. I know. Well, not all, but most. Alright. You want your crew member?
Yeah, I just bought another one. You can
Pretty
have that one. That you
decent
don't
map
like.
though. Like I say, it's open, and these
Not that I
guys
don't
aren't
like it, it's just- Oh,
assholes.
shit. Garbage.
Yeah,
Moving
San
off
Francisco lessons, alright, guys.
Oh, he's right there to your right. Please kill him. Please kill. Oh, my goodness.
How? 95. 95 film. Thank you.
Holy shit, legsies.
Oh, it's in the arch.
On
thing,
mid,
Mid,
go over here.
Mid arch.
Hey, it's got my AK connector.
Oh, you can.
Yeah. There might be another exit. Just look at it.
Yeah, you're. To your right.
To our right, to our right, to our right.
Oh, didn't see him.
That is why you don't zoom in, man.
You
So
wouldn't
if
happen to
anybody
play
want to
on
improve on
4-3.
skill, yeah, you know, let me know.
I like zooming in.
I will teach you guys.
I always wear binoculars when I look at my wiener. What? Where are we going?
Same.
Going mid was up.
Probably good to buy
Right.
smokes for this map too, because there's so many openings. I mean, A wasn't too bad if we pulled it off. Good shit. Oh,
Doesn't look like A.
sorry.
Grab the up, Hayden.
Quit up.
Stay in the mid.
That's dangerous.
They smoked us off.
You guys got it.
Mm-hmm.
I'm backing up. Pushing you. Help him out.
Back ops.
I think he's going
He's coming through the way you went, Orange. Right now.
I'm yellow. It's okay.
I thought,
Well,
yeah.
no, I was saying where Orange went at the beginning. Sorry.
That's our teammate. That's our teammate.
No. I have a minute.
Just go B. Group up, guys.
Yeah, but he's gonna be hiding around a corner, and all I got is this fucking eye. But I got locked.
This is such a waste of, like, design.
Yeah,
It's pretty.
it's pretty bad. The map.
Ice?
Ice.
You should be able to come in.
Yeah. Get outside.
Oh, yeah, okay, well. I wonder if you can plant on top of the fountain.
Probably.
could.
I don't know.
I know a nuke you can plant on top of the things.
Yeah, retarded, right?
It's silly. Yeah, there's a ladder at least, but easiest way is heaven.
Yeah, if you aren't heaven, it's gonna take a while for you to get up there. It's silly. They'll have to get rid of that. Oh, did someone want their
So where
off
does that land? Oh, cool.
Oh, he jumped out.
Left side.
Flashing a window or over wall.
There's
Sorry.
one more.
Flashing. Watch it. CT.
Watch behind.
Green ear bomb.
Ow.
Sorry, Green.
Green.
Let's get behind it.
My day.
Oh, I'm so bad.
I was gonna knock them.
Okay.
Right this
I like this map. I like it.
hate this man.
It's like I've already
New
figured it
map,
out.
man. Map just dropped to like, I don't know, 200 now. It's just the bullshit.
Pull all the new maps, so kill your frame rate.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's probably true. That's very true.
I dropped at least 100 FPS, man.
I did hear from someone with even like a modern 960 was having frame rate troubles.
Oh wow, they get there hella fast.
Oops.
One sec, that kid, he always off.
Oh my, I don't know what I'm doing. I have AIDS.
One to the right.
Lol.
That was fun. Drop that,
Watch
drop
it.
that. And kill the guys. Reload, reload. Don't push out.
But
To the left.
Just do the thing. Don't repeat, don't repeat.
he's up on the steps.
Fuck yeah.
Good try.
Like I could feel that
don't
they're
get it.
getting.
I don't think they get it.
I could feel that they're getting close to me, and my frames are starting to drop.
They're getting it.
Yeah, they got it. That was weird. Like, I felt like they were in my area when my frames were starting dropping. There's like too many people.
I've been playing for like 2 days.
I'm not gonna let
I
this
haven't seen
meta guy
shit.
run away with the game like he did last game. No, not this
Okay.
time.
You want to go B again?
Alright, 3 off guys.
Wait,
3
what's
off
it-
guys.
Drop me tech now, here.
B? Where's B?
Thank you.
That flash did nothing. And I feel bad for throwing.
That fucking Snapchat.
Suck my dick.
Good shit. One long. Good shit, Billy.
I'm throwing smoke.
Yeah, try to. Yeah.
Throwing fire.
Show me the bomb.
Grenade out.
Or there.
I can't
Don't
plant
peek.
up there.
It blocked me hard.
No, you can't plant on top of it. I can't plant on any of the boxes.
What? Behind. CT.
Left side.
To your right, green.
Still left side.
See to your left?
Did I hit him or no? I
I
don't
don't
think I
know.
did. Because I hit him in the body, so that would have killed him.
I do need a drop. Somebody.
No, I did not hit him.
Someone drop him.
It always goes to the wrong person, doesn't it?
Just drop it outwards.
Behind you.
Do it like arc.
Behind you.
Cool. Off, really?
Yeah.
Let's go B again.
Thanks. Even though
Well, I threw out my
suck
SSG,
now.
but apparently someone bought
Oh,
an
so
op for
bad.
you.
Bye bye.
Ow. I was not ready for that. I didn't think you'd get there that quick.
Wow, there's two there. To your right. Two to your right. Another one. He's still there. He's reloading.
Lit 50.
Watch your left. You got this. You have the guns.
Behind you. Purple.
No, what are you? Oh my
Mine,
gosh!
projector.
Are you kidding me? You could see the gunfire. Oh, that's insane. He's gonna. This fucking. He's doing better than me, but. My game sense is better, I feel.
Oh, why would he run over there?
Play the time. He went through mid to T-spawn to fountain. He's
My
got it.
diffuser?
No. That guy's walling is fucked. Not gonna
Nah,
lie.
it's not.
His account hasn't even been like set up yet.
Nah, he's not. He's not worried.
We
Yeah,
played with
I
we
swear.
played with them last game and it was I recorded the whole thing. It was fucked up.
Could be just be smurfing.
Well, we're all smurfing, aren't we?
Well,
I'm the
I'm not sure about you.
only one not.
You say no. Flash.
What rank are you guys?
Flash.
Just counted you know before.
I mean, your mid.
My main.
Yeah.
Rather not disclose at this point in time because if I do any worse, he'll make fun of me.
Yet I'm here to say get GM1. For real.
Ah, behind us. Fucking cunts.
All right, we're gonna be fine. We're fine. We're fine. We're fine. We're fine. We're fine. Armor
Every
up
time we get
and B rush.
such a good lead, and fucking Kush and Neo just start running off the gate.
Come on, let's go.
Armor rush B. Armor rush B. 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 B.
Yep. Wait. Wait till we can get to the door before us. The arch here.
Hang on, sorry.
Jesus.
One mid.
One behind, one behind. Don't go there, Hayden. You have bomb.
Smoke.
Or green.
Green. He's one more. He's going your side. No, he's peeking you guys. Good, you got him. CT.
CT.
Good shit.
Quick.
Good shit, boys. Good, good.
Good save from.
Their rotates are a little slow, but
Try A this time.
sure. I thought my flash would have hit the corner of arch, but it obviously can't.
Let's go, my friends. Flashbang.
If they flash downstairs here, they're going to be pushing it.
Can I have anybody peeking mid this time?
I am throwing a grenade. Grenade.
Watch behind him.
This way looks a bit risky.
One, he's right up. No.
Smoke there. Can't see.
Fuck. Fuck! He knows right when to fucking throw a flash.
Fuck.
He knew exactly when to throw a flash. It was like, good, always sound whoring hardcore. Alright.
I still don't like the smoke glitches. People keep shooting through the smokes, and they're still visible.
Yeah.
People also take advantage of the flash glitch on you. If you open a squeaky door and throw a flash out, as you can look straight at it and don't get blind.
Oh, it's silly.
That's stupid.
That's super silly.
Lock and load.
This looks weird.
Okay. I'll go away.
Man, they can get to sites quick.
Nothing bad.
B. It's B. It's B. Good shit, man. Going sewer.
Rotating.
So, good luck.
Well done, man.
Never mind.
Okay, one tapping to go.
Smurf is real.
Who's going A with me? Green? Or who is it?
Where?
Who's going
I
A?
was going A.
Okay, by nade.
I got one.
And,
Smoke.
you know what I'm thinking about nading.
Maiden.
Nading.
Grenade out.
There's no one here. That was a waste.
Oh,
Went B.
yeah.
What's lit 81B? Along.
Okay, going sewer.
I tried to find out how to just get to the fucking site.
Throwing a grenade.
One left side, blue. That guy's teleporting, man.
That's close.
To right.
Flashbang.
Think.
I flashed him green.
He just slashed me.
Diffusing.
Get in, he's defusing.
Way. We're supposed to be diffusing.
I know, but he's like to cover him, so you didn't die while defusing, and then
Yeah.
I shot you so many times.
watch these things.
Oops, wrong button.
That was written to people at the start.
Throwing flashbang.
I hit him.
Throwing smoke.
I had him.
Fight.
Watch out, nade. Watch out, nade.
Grenade out.
One more left.
Did you
Yellow.
smoke that green?
The smoke was accidental, yeah.
Oh.
Bounced off the
Oh,
wall.
there's two there now. 2 mid, 2 mid.
Smoke CT.
Throwing flashbang.
Good job.
Grab that
He
M4.
was
Grab
coming
M4.
in.
Purple. On the ground. M4. On the ground. Awesome.
Oh, what is it?
You can keep it.
They all seem to be going B every time.
That's fine. They're gonna rotate. The thing is, you can't flash over that wall or we get flashed really hard.
Yeah.
Lock and load.
God damn it.
It's good to know.
fire.
Terrible.
Laying down smoke. Fire in the hole. Grenade out.
Some
Flashbang.
here. Heard them throw a grenade.
Throwing smoke.
Smoke you if you want to cross.
B long. 3.
I think they would be though.
Well,
I
this,
heard one.
this is a good spot. If you smoke that corner, you can see to the left of it and be hiding behind the fucking
They're all B,
fountain.
they're all B, they're all B.
Okay. Go mid. Or not.
Too late.
I'm so fucking scared, man. Like, you guys don't even know.
You can save if you want. Nobody's stopping you.
Save the
Oh, left. He's peeking you.
Fuck you.
Save it.
I'm scared.
Nope.
Oh, I can't.
This place is not
What
hidden.
the
There's... I know, that's what I was saying. It's shitty.
I thought I could get up. I'm
I
too
know,
deep
man.
now. Oh, if I die from here, I'm gonna be salty.
I guess we'll know
Still
what the
dead,
blast
mate.
radius is. Alright, you're good.
Don't peek.
He was behind you.
Yeah.
In your butthole.
Mm.
Grab your gear and let's go.
We'll play defensively.
One time. Maybe this will be the one time to go away.
Blue, I gave you a gun.
Incendiary. Throwing a grenade.
That's a bit.
Smoke. Grenade out.
One grenade.
Think there's only
Okay.
B
Down
kill.
Left mid.
smoke.
There's no one here again.
B. This place is so fucked up.
Jesus.
More there.
Wow, they got a close. Broken.
Deploying
Inside
flashbang.
planting.
Planting, planting, planting. Left side. One's outside, one's left side.
Good job.
One's down.
Up.
Alright, that's it, that's it, that's it. Go
Go
defuse.
pick up my op to the right. Green.
I'm defusing the bomb.
To the left.
No, to the left.
Over. Yeah, right
See that?
there. Right there.
See the one that looks like a knot?
People just tell me like left and I'm like spinning around at the time.
Well, I would call a spot. It's just I don't fucking know them.
What the op?
This place, sir.
Yeah, Green, you're,
Throwing it at me.
Green, you're probably in a good spot when you're like listening for walls, and I'll just keep throwing nades. I'll do my sentry, then smoke,
Alright.
Done.
and then nade flash.
Just gonna stay on site.
Incendiary out. Grenade out. Throwing smoke.
One. They're coming this way.
Smoke.
Two, there's two there. Bombs here, bombs A, bombs A.
Fuck.
Hit one for 65.
Oh wow.
Yeah,
I missed that.
damn it.
I missed that.
Smoke.
Return.
What's he doing?
Did you go upstairs? Oh, you can go back. Oh, you saw him too. Nice.
And there you go.
Defusing.
Nice job.
Ugh. Wow, I'm second major dig right now.
The Neo Talent guy ain't so fucking good anymore now, isn't he? Fucking bitch. I'm a fucking dick. God, I was so salty last game.
You were salty because we had a guy who kept baiting us, and the other guy was just throwing, like, he was just fucking throwing it.
Yeah. He had like 4 fucking kills. Win all like 30 rounds we played.
Let's go, people.
Oh,
And it was like, normally I don't care how bad, like, if, like, I'm doing bad now, but I'm also, like, helping out for team-wise. He just wasn't doing either of anything.
Throwing fire.
Watch out, run! Oh, I needed it really hard.
That almost was bad.
Laying
Smash
down
pushing B again.
No footsteps.
I don't know why I bought a fucking...
I left mid.
Deploying decoy.
I've heard something. don't think anyone's
Call
here.
that.
Or one's barn.
Bomb down.
One close left. Last one
Oh,
barn.
jeez.
Two left.
yeah.
Two left. Outside.
One was
Outside.
behind the statue somewhere.
Oh, he's in.
Barn.
What is it called? What is it?
Barn. Whatever you
Call
call
it
it.
barn.
You know,
The barn?
Because it
that
looks
thing.
like a barn. I don't know.
Looks more like a bike shop.
Whatever. Like, sure.
Man, I hope
like-
they all rush out mid because I have an auto. Because I'm gonna have some ammo.
Nobody gives a shit, man.
Well, apparently someone in one of my games said he just shot me in the head for buying it, even though we were losing,
Dude,
like, all to one.
Everybody cares still.
Throwing smoke.
Yeah, that's how you
Faulkner.
smoke.
Fire in the hole. Throwing a
I think you
grenade.
heard a footstep.
Throwing flashbang.
Footsteps, there is someone definitely here.
Flashbang.
I left mid.
Wow, he went upstairs.
Oh, I thought I killed him. Damn it.
Bomb here, bomb me.
They're going for a plant. I'm going behind the very back of the fountain wall thing.
On mid. Good shit.
I just have an auto.
2v1.
Gonna be way on your left.
Good game, good game.
Nice up.
That spot, like where I smoked there, I could see nothing except for stairs, which I should have looked upstairs. Actually, you should have looked upstairs, I guess, technically.
Yeah, I was paying too much attention to the wall apparently, just to hear which direction.
Yeah, cool. That was fun, guys.
That's fun.
Good game. Good game.
If you guys enjoyed the situation, make sure you guys leave a like down below. And if you guys did not, then, you know, let me know. Let me know in the comments down below. If you guys enjoyed these new maps, tell me your opinions on it, the situations, how I've been playing. If you guys have any tips on how to smoke things, then yeah, let me know. Scranton says bye. If you also know, go check out his Twitter. And guys, I'll see you guys next episode. Be good, make good choices, keep your practice up, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye!